Hello everyone. In today's video we will continue talking about gross, net, and tare weight. But before we continue, we first need to talk about something that has to do with units of measurement of weight. So from now on, our problems will have different units of measurement of weight. So we might have a problem with that has both tons and kilograms, for example, and as we have already talked about, when it comes to length, we can't do addition, subtraction, or generally any operation between different units of measurement. So we can't, let's say, if we have 3 tons, can't just add 5 kilograms as they are. Like, you can't just say 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, but 8 what? 8 tons or 8 kilograms, because those two are very different things. A ton has 1,000 kilograms. So what we need to do, just like we showed when we were talking about lengths, is before we do the addition, subtraction, whatever, we first need to convert one of the lengths to the other. So to do that, we use this ladder that has the units of measurement of weight. So at the top, the greatest one is tons, in the middle is kilograms, and then at the bottom is grams. Okay, so the difference here when comparing with lengths is that when we were talking about lengths, each step up or down was just meant that I had to multiply it with a 10. Basically, so if I took a step down, that meant I should multiply by 10. Here, when it comes to weights, each unit of measurement, each step down or up means we have to multiply or divide by 1,000. Why is that? Because 1 ton has 1,000 kilograms, give or take. It's about 1,000. Here we'll pretend it's 1,000. A kilogram has 1,000 grams. So if 1 ton has 1,000 kilograms, then 3 tons, for example, will have 3,000 kilograms. See what I just did there? I took one step down from tons to kilograms, so I needed to multiply by 1,000. I needed to take this 3 and multiply it by 1,000 to turn it into kilograms. And then I can add the 5 kilograms normally. And I should have an equal sign here. And then 3 times 1,000 makes 3,000. And 3,000 plus 5 makes 3,005 kilograms. Now, I could have done the opposite. I could have turned kilograms into tons. That would have meant I needed to do 5 divided by 1,000, which would have been a little harder than just doing 3 times 1,000. So again, just like when we were doing problems with length, we prefer to move down the ladder rather than up. So let's see some examples here where we can put that into practice. So here we want to convert these lengths. So we want to go from 6 tons to kilograms. So you can see that to go from tons to kilograms, I take one step down. So that's I just got to multiply this by 1,000. I got to do 6 times 1,000. And this makes 6,000 kilograms. Next up, we have 73 kilograms, and we want to take it to grams. So again, we're going one step down. So that means I multiply 73 by 1,000, which makes 73,000 grams. Then I have 56 grams, and I want to turn it into kilograms. So that means I'm going one step up. So I need to divide 56 by 1,000. This, if you remember correctly how we do these types of divisions, it's going to give me 0.056 kilograms. Then we have 427 kilograms, and we want to turn them into tons. So to go from kilograms to tons, we are going to divide this number by 1,000. So we're going to have to do 427 divided by 1,000. And this is going to give me 0.427 tons. Next up, we have 0.5 tons. We want to go to kilograms, so that's a step down. So we need to do 0.5 times 1,000. And this gives me 500 kilograms. Next up, we have 0.08 kilograms into grams, so a step down again. So we need to multiply 0.08 times 1,000, and what we get is 80 grams. Next up, here we have 4.2 kilograms, and we want to turn it into grams. So again, a step down. So what we're going to get is 4.2. I need to multiply that by 1,000. So we're going to get 4,200 grams. Lastly, we have 7.05 tons, and we want to turn that into kilograms. So from tons to kilograms is a step down. So 7.05 times 1,000, and this will give me 7,050 kilograms. And that's it. So that'll be all for today. I will see you guys again in tomorrow's video when we will be solving problems that will, apart from demanding that we use what we learned last week about gross weight, net weight, and tare weight, we will also have to, in the problem, convert one weight into another inside the same problem. So we're going to see that in tomorrow's video. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.